Most people get this wrong. They assume Prime Advance is just another payday or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installment options, and spending tools in one platform. When used responsibly, it can help cover short-term expenses without falling into high-interest debt traps. Here's how Prime Advance works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, usually within hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller installments over a few weeks. Instead of traditional interest, Prime Advance charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or transaction, making it easier to budget and plan ahead. Prime Advance also offers helpful features like dashboards, repayment reminders, and spending alerts. These tools make it easier to track your cash flow and avoid surprises at the end of the month. The downside, overusing Prime Advance can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and relying too heavily on the app may mask deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can realistically repay on time. 2. Set calendar reminders or push notifications to avoid late payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund so you don't have to rely on advances continuously. Who is Prime Advance best for? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is irregular or you struggle with repayment discipline, Prime Advance may end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Prime Advance in 2026 can be a smart financial tool, but only when used wisely. Track your fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid rather than a long-term solution. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews and practical money tips to stay in control of your finances.